in for inspection arms, you normally allow the ramrod to be put down the barrel. And when you are subjected to inspection by the inspector, what he will do is he will raise the ramrod and drop it down. And what you want to hear is a metallic ping, high-pitched. If you hear a thud, that means you have carbon buildup on the base of your barrel, which is 99% of all the stoppages that occur on the battlefield. If the inspector raises the rod this high and lets go of it, tell him not to do that, because what it'll do is it'll mushroom the base of your ramrod. Having said that, I want to give you a handout. Picture is worth 1,000 words. You can look it over. You already have one. You already have one, right? Mm-hmm. If you just keep one and hand it down. Keep one and hand it down to the rear. I have an extra one in here. Just back your hand up.
Oh yeah, I just wanted to say, Max, you were there at the NCO drill when the Mike Marino's musket. You don't want to hear that. You want to hit something solid at the bottom.
That's what we're getting to discuss here.
That's what it is. I see it too. That's the best thing.
No, it'll be fine.
It looks like a brass.
On that handout, on the big page, the large page, you'll see an Enfield and a Springfield, and the base is cut away so you can see inside. On the Enfield, you have no access other than through the port of the nipple, by removing the nipple to clean out the port. What is happening is, when you clean your rifle, and you push the bore brush or the patch down, you will invariably remove some of the debris and it will build up on the bottom. If you allow that to continue over time, you will find that that little port, that little flash port from the nipple will get closed up. And what you need to do in a case like that, you need to have something like this. It's a cleaning rod, and there's a scraper on the end. You can buy them from the sutlers. But beware that when you buy anything from the sutler, you need to bring the ramrod with you, because they have various types of threads inside that little plug, that scraper. It should be 1032 if you have a Springfield or an Enfield. Sometimes they have 1028, 1024. So there are various types of threads, make sure it goes on. This little fuel right here, this scraper, you'll send it down the bore, and then you turn it clockwise. Now, some of you that have the ramrod, all you have on the end of the ramrod is a slot that holds a patch, but nothing other than that. There's no way that you can clean with a ramrod, unless you turn it around, put that plug on the end of the ramrod, and then stick something through that slot on the fat end of your ramrod to turn it. Because what you want to do is you want to go down to the bottom and scrape all that stuff out of there, turn the rifle upside down, tap it out, go back in and keep cleaning it until you get down to the bottom. So that when you do, when the inspector does send the ramrod down, when he drops it down, you hear that metallic ping, okay? Not a thud. Yeah, I know there are a couple of rifles in here that you can barely get the plug in, because there's so much buildup inside the barrel. I found that if you can't find, and they're hard to find, a 58 caliber forebrush, you can use a 12 gauge. Problem is, on the top of your handout, you'll find that on this, it's item number 5 and 6. I believe it's 4 and 5. The 12-gauge shotgun bore brush has a 1/4" 28 thread on it, which does not fit on your ramrod. Okay? So you have to make a little program. I made a little sleeve that has 1/4" 28 on one end for the bore brush and 10/32 on the other side. Now, if you don't have a Bridgeport or a lathe at home, which most people probably don't, let me know. I can make a bunch of them and hand them out. The other thing is on your ramrod, the ones that have the slot on the fat end, I'm going to give you something that you can keep. For those who do not have a cleaning rod, I made some little ringlets. I'll give you some. They have a 1032 tapped hole in it, and you can take your ramrod, put a patch through the slot, send it down and put this at the end so you can turn it, because when you drop your ramrod in, all you have is a little piece sticking out with some threads on it. There's no way you can get a hold of it to clean it properly. So I'm going to give you, hand this around and everybody take one. Hand it out.
Only take one if you have one musket.
Yeah, only if you have one.
Take one if you have an end.
You can use that and screw it on the opposite side of the fat end of your ramrod, and then you have a handle that you do some scraping.
That's why there's like rivets in it. It doesn't have this one.
Well, you better get clean.
Need some more on this side? What else needs some? Anybody else?
Come out of the horse sprinkle leg or what?
If you need any help
He's in a
on
mom.
anything pertaining to your rifle or your pistol, let me know. If you trust me, I've been around this business for quite some time. 28 years of experience in the ordnance field. So,
Bill, for field cleaning, I noticed a lot of the guys will just pour the hot water in, and
it is recommended.
they do that, but
It is recommended.
that's all they do. A lot of guys don't run.
Yeah, I was gonna say that a lot of the folks here, that's how they learn to clean a musket, is the field expedient. And that's the only cleaning they do. They bring the thing home after that and put it away till next time.
And most importantly, please remember, do not run a dry patch down your musket because your ramrod will get stuck and they'll have to shoot it out.
Word of caution when you pour hot water down the barrel. What you want to do, and I don't want to take too much of your time, start off after you come back to camp, pull your hammer to half cock, put a patch between the hammer and the nipple. Take a rag, wrap it around the muzzle, and then you pour hot water into the barrel. But don't fill it all the way up. Leave some room, a couple of 6 inches or so. Then you take the rag, put your thumb over the top, over the muzzle, and work it back and forth, okay? Like this, with the hot water slushing around the inside. Then just simply remove it and watch the dirty water come out. And you continue doing that until it is clear, okay? That's only half the story. You still have a lot of stuff in there. Then you use a bore brush. Clean all the carbon out of there, okay? Put some more hot water into it. Let it run out. Then you have to remove the nipple and make sure everything is clean around there. okay? And then at least so many times, 6 times of events, go in there with a scraper. If you don't have a scraper, come see me, I'll do it for you, okay? That'll keep your rifle in good shape. The reason I put the rag around the top, around the muzzle, in this fashion, before I pour the water in it, if you have water, if you spill it over the side, it gets behind your wooden stock and removes all the oil. And within hours, you're gonna have surface rust.
It swells the hell out of the stock too.
Underneath the wooden stock, gonna have surface rust. So put that, not only to protect your hands from because the barrel will get hot when you put hot water in there. Okay, any questions?
So you want the water running out through the,
To the nipple.
not turn the rifle over?
You can do that too, but you must at least a couple of times fill it up with water and let it run down the nipple.
This is in the field you do this.
Yeah.
In the field.
Any questions?
All right, Bill, let me borrow this musket for a minute. Old soldiers, way to clean a musket. When you get home, as soon as you get home, not that day, the next day, go to Home Depot and buy yourself those orange buckets for like $5. All right? Get your musket, take the barrel off. Take the barrel, clean the barrel off. Remove the cone. Stick the barrel in hot water with laundry, dishwashing soap. Now, if you go out and get yourself a shotgun cleaning kit, it comes with aluminum rods. They will fit through here and clean it. And what you do, you put it on an angle, you put it to the plastic cleaning patch, you put a cleaning patch on it, and you start a sucking motion. What happens, it starts drawing the water through. And as you're ramming it, you can see all that crap coming out where the cone is. All black stuff. Change the water and keep on doing it. Eventually you're going to see the water come out clear. That will hopefully, it has prevented that buildup that Bill was talking about. If you don't do that, you're going to have a Mike Lorenzo gun. Because it's going to jam it up and you're not going to be able to shoot anything through it. And it's up this as hot as a rock, right Bill?
Correct, yes sir.
So get home and do that. $5 for the bucket, a little laundry soap, not laundry soap, but dishwashing liquid, hot water, shotgun cleaning kit, and just ram it, and you'll see that stuff come flushing right out.
And you know how well I take care of my rifle.
Oh, forget it. I haven't fired my musket since you cleaned it. I used to.
Just a recommendation, do not disassemble the barrel from the stock in the field.
No. Do not do that, you'll lose your screws. Everybody's got a screw loose.
Or the little band springs for the Springfields, you might lose.
Do not. That's right. That's right. Just what he said. The barrel, what do you call them? The barrel spring locks have a little spring in it. If you lose that, forget it. That's a rough. But when you get home, you take this barrel off. Now, when you get done cleaning it, you wipe it all down nice, you dry your barrel out, and then what you do, it's going to sound funny, get some Vaseline. Run some Vaseline inside of this before you put your barrel back in. That'll prevent the inside of the barrel from getting rusty, even in the field. All right? Also, use Vaseline on your screws. Okay? Keeps them from rusting. Use very little around the cone screw. Put some Vaseline and put that in. Your tang screw, absolutely Vaseline before you screw the barrel in. Do not take your lock off. You don't have to take your lock off.
I have a question.
Yes.
Could you throw a little Teflon tape on that nipple when you put it back on the threads?
Yeah,
No.
Teflon tape will work.
They sell some.
Why, what happened?
Gorilla grease.
You stripped it?
No, I'm just, because, sometimes it gets really jammed in there. Once you put it in, you want it to be able to back out, easily.
They make something called Gorilla Grease.
Gorilla
which
Grease.
Makes it come back out, or if you have to, you use Vaseline and graphite, and you make something. It's like
Graphite is
thread release.
a guy's good friend when it comes
Right,
to
Morty?
weapons.
It's like a thread release agent, this way.
They have also
Comes out.
dry film,
Right,
it comes in a little spray can.
yeah,
Yeah,
What it does, it just lubricates.
It's like a graphite
Makes it
spray.
easier to remove.
yeah.
yeah.
There's one other thing, Captain, I'd like to point out, on the Enfield, all of you who have Enfields, when you take your bangs off, the screw. Don't back it all the way off, because it's a self-locking screw that only turns open so far that it gets tight. Don't force it. Just back it off far enough so that you can slide the band right off the start. Don't back it off, you're gonna lose it, and then from that point on forward.
Yeah, you shouldn't have to take those screws out, but you can get Vaseline in there with a Q-tip. Q-tip again is a soldier's best friend. Q-tips go a long way to clean your weapon.
One last thing, and that is preservative. It's okay to use WD-40 for a short term, like after you leave, go home. But don't put the WD-40 in the barrel. WD-40 will have a tendency to gum up,
Yeah.
and it's very difficult to get out. Don't use motor oil like 10W30. It has acid in it. It will eventually rust on you. Use Harpies number 9 or good gun oil. Okay? Light coat. Always wipe it down.
Do you use ballast oil?
Honey?
Ballast oil?
Barristol's very good.
As a lubricant?
That's a rust inhibitor and cleaner. I use that. You can get it online. It's pretty reasonable.
Smells like hell.
feet.
It's, yeah, do it outside. It stinks like hell. The Barristol's very good. Yeah, I use it on all my weapons.
Put it on the wood, the leather.
Okay, any questions? Bill, thank you very much.
Thank you, Bill.
I